Om Gurave Namah. Hello friends, today we will discuss about evil eyes, the negative aspects upon you which are hampering your progress, which are giving ill health and career not progressing and more. For this, there is a prayer temple in Tamil Nadu in the Tiruvallur district near Tirthani. The temple is Agasthiswara Batuk Bhairava temple. Batuka is also called Batuk Bhairava, and this temple is very powerful to ward away all the evil spirits. You can visit the temple, consult the office regarding the Parihara Pujas and perform that. Good luck.